chaps were excellent to deal with right from the start, from the first voice you hear on the phone.
They gave us a good quote, they did a good design, and their customer relations were really good, so we decided to use them.
He took us through everything from start to finish, and then he showed us some pictures of what he had in his book. He explained the prices. They were very good, you couldn't fault them.
We had it all fitted in a day. No mess, no noise, beautifully done. And they're personal. You're not just someone else who's answering an advert in the paper, and it's the personal touch. We all like that, don't we?